Today, I'm sharing 7 online beginner-friendly passive income ideas that can help you achieve that financial freedom. Let's dive in. First up, selling digital products. Think about this. You create something once, and it continues to make money for you over and over again. Digital products can be anything from ebooks and online courses to templates or even stock music. What's great is that these products require minimal effort to maintain after they're created. For example, if you're good at organizing finances, you can create a budgeting spreadsheet. If photography is your thing, sell Lightroom presets. Platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, or even your own website make it easy to list and sell these items. Once it's out there, it works for you while you focus on other things. Next, YouTube automation. Did you know you don't have to show your face to make money on YouTube? With this method, you can create faceless videos on topics like motivation, tutorials, or even tech reviews. It works like this. Pick a niche you're passionate about, gather stock footage from free platforms like Pexels, write a script, and record a voiceover. Not confident about editing? You can outsource that on Fiverr. Once your channel grows, you'll earn money through ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate links. The key is consistency. Upload regularly and provide valuable content to your audience. Now let's talk about print on demand. This is perfect for anyone with a creative streak. Platforms like Printful and Teespring let you design and sell custom products like t-shirts, mugs, or tote bags. They handle the production and shipping for you, so you can focus on designing and promoting. The secret here is targeting a specific audience. For example, create funny or relatable designs for dog lovers or motivational quotes for entrepreneurs. Promote your designs on social media or with targeted ads. Once you have a winner, you can expand your product line and even create themed collections. Another fantastic option is real estate crowdfunding. If you've ever thought real estate is only for the wealthy, think again. Platforms like Fundrise and Realty Mogul let you invest as little as $10 in real estate projects. Your money is pooled with other investors to purchase properties, and you earn returns through rental income or property appreciation. It's a hands-off way to diversify your income. Start small, do your homework, and let your investments grow over time. Now, for the photographers and videographers out there, stock photography and video could be your golden ticket. Platforms like Shutterstock and Adobe Stock let you upload your work and earn every time someone downloads it. Don't worry if you don't have a professional camera. Even smartphone photos sell well if they're high quality and meet market demand. Focus on popular categories like business settings, seasonal events, or nature. The more you upload, the higher your chances of earning consistent income. Let's not overlook dividend stocks, one of the most reliable ways to generate passive income. When you invest in dividend-paying companies like Nvidia and Apple, you earn a portion of their profits regularly. The best strategy is to reinvest those dividends to take advantage of compound growth. Apps like Robinhood or Webull make it simple for beginners to start small. Over time, those small investments can grow into a dependable source of income. And finally, we have affiliate marketing. This is one of the easiest ways to start earning online, even with no product of your own. Here's how it works. You recommend products or services you love, and when someone buys through your unique link, you earn a commission. The key is to focus on a niche you're passionate about. For instance, if you're into fitness, you could promote workout gear or healthy snacks. Don't worry about building a website at the start. You can share links on social media, YouTube, or even TikTok. As your audience grows, so will your earnings, and you can scale this into a significant revenue stream. So there you have it, 7 powerful online passive income streams you can start today. Remember, passive income doesn't mean no effort at all. It means putting in the work up front so you can reap the rewards later. Which one are you excited to try first? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Profit Edge, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a tip to grow your income. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.